Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to unhide all columns in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some column is hide. So I'm going to unhide it. Simply select the entire data. To select the data, simply select the one cell inside the data and use the Control A to select the entire data. You can select the different way also. Just click on this arrow to select the entire sheet of this Excel file. After that, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Formats option. In Visibility, click on the Hide and Unhide. Then click on the Unhide columns. And that's it. Here you can see the all columns is unhide. Okay. So I used here the Control Z to undo the actions. And I show you the second way to unhide the columns. The second way is simply select the column those you want to unhide. So I select the B2H. So I just drag with the mouse and select the both column B2H. And simply right click of the mouse and click on the unhide option. That's it. Here you can see the all column is unhide. Again, I use the Control Z to undo the actions. And the third way, simply select the entire data. I just simply select the inside the cell and use the Control A. And here I use the shortcut key Alt H O U L, and that's it. You can see all column is unhide. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.